Hey, let me show you how you can use camera pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, when we enter for this pro mode, we can actually find a lot of options. So first we are going to focus on this bar, and when I click on this on the left, let's start from the left side on the ISO. If you don't know what each function does, you can just click on this information icon where you can find short description. So this is really useful because right now you exactly know how to adjust these parameters. And we can actually adjust all of these parameters manually by moving sliders to the left or to the right side, just like this. And you can also do this automatically by clicking here. From this we can find shutter speed, and we can even set the shutter speed for the 10 seconds, so this is a lot. Next we can click on the manual, there we go. From this we can also find the exposure compensation, but this is actually the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there's no this automatic button like on the shutter speed, ISO, or for example focus. Now when we are in the focus, we can actually find the automatic focus. Let me just get this one for the automatic, there we go. We get focus, but you can also set this focus manually. So if you try to take this close photos, you can manually adjust this option, and as you can see, we've got this green highlight. So it actually means that right now our smartphone is actually focusing on this specific arena. When it actually goes like this, it means that it is actually blurred and it's out of the focus. So this is really useful to get this information, and now you know what it does. And of course it will be not visible on the photo, so you don't have to worry about this one. The last option from this, it's definitely the white balance. There we go. So you can adjust this, depends of your lighting condition. Now when you go into the right upper corner, we can find these different options from the contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and the tint. And you can also adjust them by moving to the left or to the right side. And this is like really useful, and I can recommend you to use it because you can really, you can adjust the look of your photo, all of these colors and stuff like this. From this we can switch the matrix metering. Also when you change it, you can find small description. Right here we can find the shutter delay between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. From here we can turn on the flashlight, and when you go into the settings, most of them are actually disabled because this is the pro mode where you don't have to change the settings because you can actually do this manually. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.